He's like, tuck and roll. Wow. It sounds like thunder over there.
I know.
Here you go. Wow. Are these the mortars?
It's gonna hit us. I know, I'm just waiting to get burned.
If you feel the rain, that's just gunpowder.
I know. Great stuff.
Good stuff. Good times. And the burning, I just smell it.
And the burning and suffering builds character.
What are you eating?
That food.
Nice.
Tuck and roll.
Awesome. Do you need flashlight? Okay. Look at all the gunpowder in there.
Oh my god.
All around me. Woo! Wow. Awesome! Awesome! Is this the big one? Almost? That was so worth the ride to South Carolina.
Hey, Mama, can I use a flashlight?
Wayne's like jumping out of the way like Ian Rock Lighter. Wow.
Mama, give me the flashlight. Let's see my food.
You're bug free. You're good. Does it taste good still?
Yeah.
I've still got my streamers in my hair from the poppers.
You need, not the poppers. The pistols.
We have a plan going on.
Heck yeah. That was worth the trip.
Oh my God!
Awesome.
All of you guys.
Woo! Good job, guys. Oh, I loved it.
Yep.
That was